as shit. Like fucking. I've had these for like 6 years, and like I've just kept them because I've always wanted to put them on an MR2, and I've never owned an MR2.
Reminds me like old FBI documents.
Right?
All, like,
scratch it out.
She's struggling.
Not too bad.
My fat ass back here.
My dad found it on Craigslist. Ooh. And he just showed it to me, and it was within 3 hours of posting it.
Oh yeah.
And it was on Texada Island on the most random part of free Craigslist. Didn't get it for free. Offered money like pretty much immediately. And I was pretty much there within like a week.
Nice.
And it's like 3 ferry trips. I don't know, I wanted it.
Yeah. Well, that's awesome.
Took about, I don't know, 2 days to make it like this.
Yeah.
Got it driving in a day. And then I put the springs in, built the coilovers for it within like a day.
But the barn finds are still out there.
They fully are. Like, look at that. Like,
They're not perfect.
strut towers are in great shape. I mean, there's like that one rust hole down there, but it's low.
It's not there.
You know, like this is all this stuff, which is super structural, is still intact with no corrosion. That's awesome. Helps you justify running cool coilovers and making it all stiff.
How many clinks on this bad boy?
Yeah, how many kilometers run it?
I think it's 240.
240?
Nothing,
Wow, that's
man.
really low.
She's just opening up.
Yeah. Fresh rebuild too.
Dude,
30K ago.
Wow, that's crazy.
Why would
Actually,
they
like
do a
that.
rebuild and not deal with the body?
No, they just rebuilt it.
Yeah,
She wanted it to run.
yeah. The barn finds are out there. You just have to work for them a little bit. They're not next door anymore, I guess, but yeah.
Yeah, you gotta work for it.
Yeah, that's super
Go a
sweet.
little far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That,
14 by 8, negative 12. 14 by 8, negative 25. SSR Mark IIs. Original matte finish.
Sick.
They were BC coils out of a 2008 Toyota Matrix that I pulled out of a junkyard. They were basically brand new,
yeah.
and I put them on 8.6 spindles.
That's awesome.
The rears are just like KYB adjustables off Rock Auto. They're camber tops from something else, and I got those from Ben Johnson,
Okay.
and he just had them, and so I just put them on the BCs, and,
Nice.
and it just worked.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just throwing shit together. It's working.
That's fantastic.